TTM ASCII Character Set 001 is a font that enables Skratch composers with the ability to create a limitless number of unique compositions using 4 different banks of Skratch symbols. This font will work in any word processing and design app that uses the internationally standardized TTF format. In this example we have the lowercase alphabet represented by a number of popular and key modular scratches from the Periodic Matrix of Skratches. The upside-down versions of the Skratch equations seen at the bottom of the screen can be accessed by holding down the Option key. In mathematics we call this an x-axis reflection. When holding down the Shift key, most of the scratches from the lowercase set will double their speed, becoming uppercase higher-pitched versions of the Skratch. This double speed effect can help DJs create intricate combo patterns. When holding down Shift and Option at the same time, also known as Alt, the length of the scratches will reduce to 75% of the original lowercase length, which gives Skratch composers the ability to use different time signatures and polyrhythms. In addition, the first 4 diagonal columns are arranged by 4 sounds that have the same number of syllables. So drags, log cuts, forwards and X cuts all have 1 sound, while chirps, babies, slices and 8th note transforms all make 2 sounds. Column 3 characters make 3 sounds, starting with the Triplet Transfrom, the Zig-Zag, 1-note hair and the Swirl Tear. Column 4 presents 4 4-syllable scratches such as the DJ Spinbad original transform, the Clover Tear, the Flare, Skratch, and the Crescent Flare. The Hippo and the Wah both make 5 sounds in the next column, while the Triplets Transfrom, the 2TC Orbit, the Twiddle Orbit and the Prism in column 6 create 6 sounds. From these comparisons, one can see that it's much easier on the crossfaderist to create 6 sounds using a 2-click orbit as opposed to rapid transforming. Some of your favorite scratches may be missing from this set due to the fact that they can be recreated using modular Skratch characters. So a Boomerang scratch, for instance, can be recreated using a slice, 2 chirps and a click. The kerning, which is the space between characters, can be adjusted in most applications so that the nodes of the scratches can be overlapped into combos. When a black click overlaps an openfader symbol, the white center of the openfader symbol will no longer be seen, ultimately making it a click. So adding a click to the start and end of Scribbles can turn it into a drill scratch. Military scratches made famous by Grandmixer DST can be created by joining slices, stabs, high-pitched cuts, and baby scratches. When holding down Option, both click and pause characters switch from being at the base of the scratch line to the top of it. So if the kerning is set to overlap, one could create a square flare or butterfly by starting with a click, then a reverse baby, and so on. For the future, there will be future versions of the TTM font set that will be tailored to various types of scratching, including faderless scratching, advanced scratching, drum scratching, beat juggling and more. We'll be releasing the TTM keyboard skin cover for these sets in the future, as well as a touchscreen executable version, as a warm-up for the much larger executable Periodic Matrix of Skratches. The upcoming executable audio program with the TTM ASCII Character Set interface will also have an Ableton ALS version of this that can also create real-time keyboard scratches. We'll keep you posted. Lecture by DJ Raedawn.